still remember when I was in college, I used to be a person who procrastinate a lot, and I was not disciplined at that time, and I didn't have focus. I used to waste a lot of time jumping between social medias to social media, jumping between the streaming, video streaming, instant messaging, and a lot of other useless stuff I was doing, and I was thinking negative, a lot of negative thoughts, and sometimes self negative talk, sometimes overthinking. And in my life, no one is telling me at that time that I was wasting time. Suddenly something had happened that literally changed my mind. I still remember, it's in March 2018, that is my BTech final year days. I was the one among them who don't get the job in placements. Suddenly, my environment got shifted and treat me as a failure, and they started blaming me. I don't understand what happened to them. Just because I don't get a job in placements doesn't mean I was useless, right? But people are treating me as a failure. My friends, my family, my relatives, and a lot of all the other people are not treating me as a person. At least they are blaming me, they are criticizing me, and they are dragging me down, and they treat me as a failure. Those days I can't digest that situation, and I found that I had two ways. One, I will be the same person at that time and wasting a lot of time and living the life of rut, and you know become a useless person and become no satisfaction in my career and in my college, in my relationships, or in my family. There is nothing, just because uh, I was not productive at that time. I used to procrastinate a lot. Sometimes I sleep at 2 a.m., sometimes I wake up at 11 a.m. Sometimes I don't take care of my health. That all builds in a snowball effect, and it shows me that I was a failure, and I can't digest that situation. Fast forward to 3 years. Now I'm a software developer turned a productivity expert, and I'm handling my software job in a product based company. Along with that, I'm handling my business, online business. At the same time, people are treating me as a god now. Everybody started praising me because I'm earning thousands in my job, and a lot of sense of satisfaction in my business. Apart from that, I was very happy inside because I just solved all the problems like procrastination, distractions, lack of focus, lack of consistency, and all these shiny objects has been removed from my life after I turned myself to become a productivity expert. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 simple hacks to 10x your productivity. This is Ramesh Yadav, productivity expert, son to an awesome couple, fitness freak, swimmer, writer, online gamer turned productivity expert. I'm very excited to invite you to for this video. In this video I'm going to show you the simple hacks. All these simple hacks I have learned on my own and tried and experimented, and I found that I got the results and in every aspect of my life. And let's get jump in. If you stay till the end, I'm gonna give you the $99 gift only for you if you stay till the end. And if you have any questions, just comment below. If you're watching live, type hashtag live, or if you're watching replay, type hashtag replay. And if you're watching on my YouTube channel, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for a lot of videos. I'm committed to serve, to make people productive, and I'm on a mission to help at least 100,000 entrepreneurs, students, and employees to raise their productivity to the next level. Let's get jump into the mind map. This is the mind map. We are gonna learn about how to 10x your productivity. My favorite author James Clear told that 1% improvement every day leads to 37 times the results you'll get. It can be your financial results, or it can be your health results, or it can be your relationship results. Whatever it is, these are very simple. The 7 simple hacks to 10x your productivity, every single day for the rest of your life. Let's get jumping. This video has been divided into three parts. One is I'll talk about why productivity. The second thing, the 7 simple hacks. I'll show you how to implement it in your life with practical examples, and you can apply it in your life and become productive, super productive in your day and in your life, and achieve the results you want wherever you are in the journey. You are an entrepreneur, or already a business owner, or a student, or an employee, or one who want to achieve your goals faster. This is the way. This is the way. Stay till the end and please take notes, because this is not a snackable content. This is a power packed, highly valuable content. Just jump in. Just jump in. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a free gifts worth $99. $99. Yes. The first thing is why productivity. You might ask why productivity, why I need to be productive. Yes, without productivity we can't create a long-term result. Suppose you're a daily labor, you're working today, and get some money to just fill your stomach, right, to feed your family. Tomorrow you have to go to work again, then you have to earn money. No work, no money at the moment. But if you raise your productivity to the next level, you will get the consistent, long-term, sustainable results for the rest of your life, and it will work like a snowball effect. And over time, you will see the exponential results in every major part of your life. Without productivity, if you don't understand, if you don't become super productive in your day and in your life, then you will be the same person. You will be the same person who is struggling for money, who is struggling for a greater health, who is always bad at relationships. Can you see that? No productivity, no long-term results. If you raise your productivity to the next level, then you will have a sense of satisfaction, freedom in your life, and you will get a consistent results. And what is productivity? This is the biggest question people are asking me. I can simplify it as simple as that to understand. At the end of the day, what matters is what accomplishes at the end of the day is very important. It's not about how many hours you put into the work. It's not about how smart you are. It's not about how much time you have invested into the work. It's all about how much you accomplished at the end of the day. Suppose Tim Ferriss has written a book called 4-Hour Work Week. That book is inspiring me a lot. By just working 4 hours per week, people are earning 6 figures to 8 figures businesses. How is that possible? Per week they're only working only 4 hours per week. How is that possible? That's what the productivity is. Productivity is all about what accomplishes at the end of the day, right? Maybe you worked only 1 hour per day, but yes, you learned a new concept that will make your mind more clear on the journey to solve more problems, to get results into your life. That's enough. It's not about you spend 17 hours but didn't achieve anything. You have a lot of distractions and multitasking and no focus, right? Can you see that? If you don't raise your productivity to the next level, then it's very hard to build the life you want. And the secret which I learned from my mentor is that time is not at all an important asset in this digital economy. In this digital economy, your attention and your focus and your energy are very important. Where you have been investing your energy and your focus and your attention will give you the results. It's not about the time, because the time is for the factory workers, which is 50 years back, because their productivity will be managed, will be calculated by the time they spent on the factories. But in this digital age, because we are not at all a factory workers, we are a knowledge workers. We work in such a way that the physical activity is very less, and we should spend more time on mental high intensive tasks, so that we'll calculate the productivity. In that way, your productivity will be measured, right? And don't believe your time is an important asset anymore. So your time is not at all an important asset. If you feel it's still true, I'll give you a question. Everybody has 24 hours a day. Why only few people are successful? Why a lot of people are still struggling in their life. Why what is the reason? What is the reason? It's not about the time. Why? Because you, me, Jeff Bezos, Ambani, Sam Owens, your dad, your mom, my brother, everybody in the world has 24 hours a day. Why only few people are successful? This is the biggest question I have ever had in my life, right? And I hope you understand productivity is very important in wherever you are in the journey, right? Whether you are an employee or an entrepreneur or a business owner or one who want to build the life you want. Yes, productivity is very, very important. Let's get jump into the meat of this video, which is the 7 simple hacks to 10x your productivity. Yes. Yes, excited, type excited in the comment box, because I'm adding gold. I'm creating a content to make you more productive at every moment of my life. The first simple hack is very, very important. When I say compare with all hacks, the one is very important. The clarity is very, very important. Without clarity, you can't do anything. I'll tell you with a interesting example. On your deathbed, imagine all the people who have hanged out with, or in your room, and you're on your deathbed. What matters to you, right? What matters to you? Do you want to become a millionaire after your death? Do you want to work, can I say, 90 hours per week, till you die? No, right? No, nobody wants to work 90 hours per week. Clarity on what you want. Suppose you started something, you don't know what you want. You are not very clear on what you want. Without clarity in your life, even you're working hard but on the wrong things, doesn't make you more productive. Can you see that? Understand your mindset. At the end of the day, what matters to you? At the end of the day, what matters to me is how many people I have impacted, how many people I make productive. How valuable I create the content. At the end of the day, that is what I calculate, I measure, right? The clarity. I'm very clear that I will be in this space for the rest of my life, and people treat me as a productivity expert, and I'll create a ripple effect in the world. That is my mission. That is my mission. Clarity on what you want. You want government job, or you want software developer job, or you want to build a company, or you want to help people. You want to become another Mother Teresa. Imagine and become clear on what you want. Understand your mindset. Understand your mindset is very, very important. Without understanding what you want, you are walking like a donkey. Can I say? If you're walking like a donkey, then it's very hard. Even donkey is working 10 hours per day. Then at the end of the day, what matters? What matters? It's not about how much hours you put into the work. It's about how much you accomplish with the given resources and with the given environment. Can you see that? In order to 10x your productivity, be clear on what you want. You want job or business, or you want some crazy stuff, or you want to be idle. Imagine, right? Be clear on what you want. I'll tell you with my life experience that I wasted 3 years. In the span of 3 years, I failed in 13 plus businesses. I started MLM. I tried writing a book. I started learning machine learning. I started creating a t-shirt designing, and I started gym. I started thinking to create a fitness courses. Then I started going for a one-to-one relationships program. Then I started, then I started a couple of things. Why I failed, keep on failing, because not clear on what I want. Not clear, and I was chasing wrong things, lot of negative habits, chasing money, and no one was guiding me at that time. And I found that why I have failed in 13 plus businesses, just because I was not productive at all, and I was not clear on what I want. Now I was very clear that I am a productivity expert. I help people more productive. At the end of the day, what matters to me is how many people I impacted today. That's it. Be clear on what you want. That will, without clear vision, without clear purpose, then you will never be productive. Got it? Type got it in the comment box. And the second simple hack to 10x your productivity is only do high value tasks. Only do high value tasks. It's very simple to understand, but it's difficult to implement, because as a solopreneur, I I must to do all the things in my business, like website maintenance to webinars to video shooting to editing to social media posting to learning to a lot of things I should do. I used to be a person. I used to be a person who always do all these things, but suddenly something had happened in my life, and I found that no, Ramesh, you should not do everything. While researching about productivity, while understanding and implementing the productivity principles on my life, and I found that no way, I should not do all the things. If I do everything, then I can't create the business I want. Then I can't build the life I want, because I'll be exhausted. At the end of the day, what matters to me is how much I accomplished. It's not about how much I do, it's about how much I accomplished. I still remember a big businesses will build strong teams. Strong teams will drive, will serve the customers. Can you see that? Do the high value task in your life. And in this thing, I'm gonna show you the rule of three. At every day, only choose only three important things to do. Today, my three important things are: first thing is record this video and publish. The second thing is publish a text based post on social media. The third thing is take break, take rest, because rest is very important. That is the high value task in my business. If I was properly rested, if I was properly nutrition, then I'll be more productive. Can you see that rule of three? In the same way, only do three things per day, because your willpower is very limited. That is the reason why Jeff Bezos will only do the important things before 10 a.m. 10 a.m. He do all the important meetings, all the important decisions before 10 a.m. because he knows that the willpower is very limited. The willpower is very very limited. If you do the million things, then you can't see the progress. If you don't see the progress, you don't get results. You if you don't get the results, you won't be inspired. You won't be inspired if you don't see the results. If you want to see the results, then you should do if you should do the important things for a certain amount of time, so for a certain amount of attention. Can you see that? Only do three things per day. You are a student, three things per day, like taking a course or improving your communication skills. Or third one is collab with your friends, discussing. That is also very important. If you're an employee, ask your manager or see what is the important things that you will do to impact the business. It can be solving the issues, or creating some resources which will help others, or 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 meetings. Even meetings also very important to discuss, right? The rule of three. In the same way, today is at the starting month, the starting days of the month. So I decided what are the three things I should accomplish in this month. Even not only the month, for per day, per week, per month, per year, I'll just choose only three goals. Why? Because I know our willpower is very limited, and we can't achieve multiple things at the same time. So only choose the high important things and achieve it. And don't look other until you achieve the three things. And set your 1 hour value. This is an important concept I learned somewhere else, I don't remember, which is my 1 hour value is 5,000 per hour. My clients are paying to my one-to-one session for 5,000 rupees in my Indian rupees, because I'm adding a value to them, 10,000 or 25,000 or even 50,000. And I always outsource the things which are undervaluing me, like cleaning the house or cooking, or anything. It can be video editing, or it can be social media posting. Whatever it is, I outsource it, because I don't feel that is my 1 hour value. And I'm guilty to say that I'm literally not good at graphic designing. I'm not good at video editing. I'm not good at social media, because I don't need to learn. If I want to do everything, then it takes years to build a business. So that's the reason why I outsource the things. I will only focus on the high value things on my business, like webinars, video creation, and engagement with my customers. These three things are high value things on my business. In the same way, try to create a 1 hour value. It can be 100 rupees per hour. Yes, don't do the things which is undervaluing you. This mindset will literally change your life. And if you get a mind blown moment in your life, type MB, mind blown, in the comment box, right? The third hack to 10x your productivity is procrastination. This is the biggest word because everybody in the world will procrastinate, and yes, one day or other day I do will procrastinate, and I was no I was no exception. But as a productivity expert, I always believe I use the procrastination to work for me. I use my laziness to work for me. Like, when I rest, usually I enjoy my downtime, and I take break, I spend my time with my family. And at the moment, yes, I procrastinate because that's very important, right? If you're procrastinating, it's not your mistake, right? I'll show you how to get rid of the procrastination, because the procrastination is the biggest killer of productivity. Use the 5 minute rule. Suppose you're procrastinating to take a course, you're procrastinating to go to gym, use a 5 minutes rule. It's just like 5 minutes. Tell your mind that okay, I'll do 5 minutes and then take 25 minutes break, right? Suppose you're hesitating to do some task, you're hesitating to write an article, or you're hesitating to take a swimming class. Suppose swimming class, just do 5 minutes. Tell your mind that okay, I'll do 5 minutes. If I feel I'm not comfortable, then I take 25 minutes break, right? In that way, you're telling your mind that I'm working only 5 minutes. Your mind will definitely will allow you to work. Then what happens? Suddenly 5 minutes reaches to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or even 20 minutes, right? That is called just do it principle. 5 minutes, do 5 minutes. Let your mind know that we are doing only for 5 minutes. And tweak the triggers in order to get rid of the procrastination. To you understand your environment and your mindset is a system. This system has a 5 triggers, which is called time, place. Tweak the triggers. Remember, in order to get rid of the procrastination, you have to understand the triggers in your life, in your environment, and in your mindset. It can be your time, place, people, preceding activity, and the emotions, right? These are all the triggers. The time means, after your dinner you are more likely to watch a TV. Place means at your home you are more likely to procrastinate. People, when with your loved one, you love to spend your time. Preceding activity, after you wake up, you watch your mobile, you spend more time on social media. Can you see that these are all the triggers? You are procrastinating. Change the triggers, tweak the triggers, so that you will get rid of the procrastination completely. And I can say that 99 times out of 100, I never procrastinate. And reward yourself. If you do some task, suppose you decided to do if you decided to do some tasks which is very hard and frustrating, and reward yourself, because video shooting, sometimes my mind won't allow me to shoot this video because it's very hard in some cases for me. Then I reward myself with a dairy milk chocolate, I reward myself with a favorite curry, I reward myself with a good movie. Can you see that? Then our mind will okay do that, because mind is wired to procrastinate. And you can use your procrastination to let work for you. Yes, understand? Use a reward system. Let your mind reward, so that your dopamine will hit to the peak, and you are more likely to do the same task again. And the fourth tweak to 10x your productivity is stop multitasking. If you're a computer science student, then you know that how CPU execute the program. Usually CPU execute the program in such a way that one program will be executed at a time. If you want to execute other program, it has to switch, it has to context, that is called context switching between the tasks. Even your mind will also work in that way. Our mind is not wired to do multitasking. Our attention space is very limited. If you do multitasking, maybe multitasking seems like a super productive thing and you're over smart about it, but at the core level, at the deep level, in long term, it won't work. Stop multitasking. Whether you are working on your body, or whether you are working on your business, or whether you are working on your job or your skills, focus on one thing, right? Okay, learning or walking for 1 hour, taking half an hour break, that is very very good, and very good, that is a single tasking. Or you are simply switching between WhatsApp and walk, you are switching between Facebook and some other important activity. What happen means, you will never be productive, and create an impactful results in your life, right? And in order to get rid of the multitasking, block the external world. In this video editing, video shooting time, I block my people. In this room, no one is there. My mom, my brother will be at the outside of the room, and I'll tell them, this is my video shooting time, don't disturb me. I block the people at a temporary time. I block my phone. I muted all the phone and put it in don't disturb mode to get rid of that distraction. I tell my mind that yes, if I shoot this video and publish it, then I'll take a big reward. Block the external world. Then use the ultradian cycle. Ultradian cycle, like you can't work 17 hours per day continuously. That's the reason why you can use like 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break, or you can use 40 minutes work, 20 minutes break. After I tried and failed multiple times, and I found that 25 minutes are very small if you're decided to work, and 1 hour is very high. 1 hour is very high to concentrate. The sweet spot for me is 15 minutes work, 50 minutes work, and 20 minutes break. 50 minutes I concentrate on some important task, then I procrastinate 20 minutes. Can you see that I take break? Use ultradian, that is called ultradian cycle. Then mute the devices, of course. Mute all the notifications, tell your mind that you're working, and mute the world. In that way we can stop multitasking. And remember, multitasking is a biggest killer in this digital economy. Don't multitask. And if you feel this video is helpful, please hit the like button and comment below. What do you think, and any feedback. I'm open to any negative or criticism, because I'm committed to help the world. I'm committed to grow as a productivity expert. And if you love this, please hit the share button or tag one person who needs to listen this. And the fifth hack to 10x your productivity, is find what works for you. This is very important. Find what works for you, because someone told in personality development that you wake up at 5 a.m. and work. Someone told that you should not waste your time. Someone told that you should work 20 hours per day. Someone told that don't sleep. Someone told that don't eat more, right? Everybody will tell their perceptions, but it's up to you to apply it or not. What I understand, in order to raise your productivity to the next level, find what works for you. Find what works for you. I started Robin Sharma 5 am club. I was very happy when I started. Suddenly what happened, I struggled to wake up at 5 am every single day. After 3 weeks, and I found that I was not a morning person. I struggled a lot to wake up, and I'm unable to resist to sleep again. Suddenly what happened means, why I need to wake up, right? Find what works best for you. You can be an early bird, or you can be a night owl, right? You can find what time works best for you, and in that way you'll be more productive. And you can be introvert. I mean, you are very active when you are alone, or you may be extrovert, like you are very active when you are in groups with the people, right? Find what works best for you. It means find your biological prime time, which is the prime time which is dedicated to the important things in your life and in your business, like your attention and your focus and your energy are at peaks. That is called a biological prime time. Don't waste your time for the small things or the useless thing. My prime time is 7 to 9 a.m. After having a long run of 5 to 10 kilometers per day, that is, after my run I'll be more productive, and my prime time is 7 to 9. 7 to 9, I don't waste it for chit chatting or social media or anything. I block it to learn or to create content or working on the important stuff on my business, right? Find what works for you. Find your biological prime time and block it for the important things in your life. That's how we can create more impact in the world, and we can create the life you want faster. And the sixth hack to 10x your productivity is energize your body and mind. It means suppose you don't have energy, you will be exhausted. You don't have attention, you will be tired. You don't have focus, there is no progress, right? Energize your body and mind. Eat some nutritious food, drink enough water, do some physical activity. It can be anything, like sit-ups, pull-ups, or it can be small walk, or it can be a heavy weightlifting. I love weightlifting because I feel I'm a superhero when I was in the gym. I love it. I really love it. Energize your body and mind. There are three hormones which will inspire you, which will stimulate your brain to raise your productivity to the next level, which is dopamine, cortisol, and oxytocin, right? In order to create more chemicals in your body and in your mind, you should go and do some physical activity. It can be anything. Energize your body and energize your mind. Without, I'll tell you, if you are not doing any physical activity, you're not at your peak. You're not at your peak. And yes, you do some small. It can be, just wake up, just stand and walk for 10 meters, right? That is also a physical activity. And and for your mind, how you can energize your mind is by reading the positive inspirational stories, or by watching some interviews of the person who want to become. Suppose if you want to be a CEO, watch the CEO interviews. If you want to be someone, maybe successful business person, watch the successful business person's interview. Like inspire your mind, read affirmations, write your goals. Got it? In that way you can energize. Meditation is also very simple. I thought meditation is very difficult when I was in college, but I started my mind. I used the principle called 5 minutes rule. I tell my mind that, okay mind, we'll do 5 minutes meditation. I closed my eyes. I started breathing. I focused on breathing just for 5 minutes. At the end of the day, at the end of 5 minutes, okay, stopped it. I rewarded myself with some chocolate, or with some enjoying thing, with some favorite hobby. After a week, I found that, instead of setting a timer 5 minutes, I started using stopwatch. Stopwatch starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 instead of 4 minutes 59 seconds or 4 minutes 58 seconds. It is going up, right? The stopwatch will going up. Then the interesting thing happened. 5 minutes reaches to 10 minutes, 10 minutes reaches to 15 minutes. Now I'm consistently meditating for 30 minutes per day, and I can see the results. The benefits are amazing in terms of my productivity, in terms of my career, or in terms of my business. Can you see that? Do some meditation. It can be a 30 seconds breathing technique to half an hour, some yoga or something. Energize your body and mind. And remember, in productivity, your body and mind plays a key role. Your body and your mindset plays a key role to measure your productivity. And the seventh hack to 10x your productivity is build high performance habits. High performance habits. After I failed in 13 plus businesses, I had two choices. One, chasing another shiny object, like jumping into different business and again chasing the money, chasing the wrong things, or chasing some useless things and again failing, or stop and think why I was failing, how many times, why I was failing these many times, and I found that I was not productive. I don't have any high performance habits. I was not completely disciplined. My focus is, distracting. My focus is spilling towards million things, right? Build high performance habits. These are like the high performance habits, or the habits, if you implement it, not only affect that area, it will also affect all the important areas of your life. Suppose, for example, these are all the high you know high performance habits: exercise, 8 hours sleep, nutritious food, daily learning. I can say one more thing is gratitude. Daily gratitude is also very important. Gratitude, one second. Gratitude. Yeah, gratitude. If you are very happy with what you have, I'm really grateful that I'm talking with you. I'm very grateful that I have an internet connection. That will inspire you. You are telling the universe, you are telling your subconscious mind that you're happy with what you have. Then the more happiness will come to you, right? The gratitude. And another important habit is reading positive affirmations, or my favorite audio, strangest secret in the world. This is the audio I got from my mentor, which is 30-minute audio I used to listen I'm listening every single day while I'm running, and I found that that is inspiring me every single day. Any negative thought, any wrong things, any bad habits will be completely answered and be removed with this single audio. If you are interested, strangest secret in the world, yes, in the world. Just go to the YouTube and search for this term so that you will get an audio, 30 minutes audio. If you commit yourself to listen for 30 days, then you can see the amazing results into your life, right? This is all about this video. The 7 simple hacks to 10x your productivity. I'll recap it. Yes. The first thing is the clarity on what you want. Then do high value things in your life. Get rid of the procrastination. Stop multitasking. Find what works for you and energize your body and mind. Finally, build the high performance habits. 45% of your decisions are your habits. Got it? And if you want, you can take a screenshot. 1 second. I'll zoom it. 1 second. Yes. Little bit. Okay. You can take a screenshot. Right? Is that visible? I hope you got it. And if you are still watching this video, it means you are already an action taker and you deserve my gifts, which is $99 worth gifts. The first gift I'm gonna give you is, I'm welcoming you to my upcoming webinar, how to become super productive in just 3 days by adding a lesser known framework without procrastination, distractions and extra efforts. Here is the link. Link will be in the description also. Just click the link below and sign up for my upcoming webinar. I'm going to show you the exact framework how I raised my productivity to the next level, and I can show you the exact framework so that you can build the life you want, right? Here is the link, bit.ly/Ramesh Yadav _ masterclass. I'm welcoming you to my, it's worth $99. I'm giving it for you for free, and along with that I'm gonna get my free checklist. Checklist, that checklist shows that 37 small tweaks to raise your productivity every day. I have added 37 small tweaks to make you more productive at every moment. And I always ask myself, am I really productive at this moment? Am I really productive now? This is the question I was always asking myself consistently to become more productive, because I must be productive in order to teach people productivity and make others productive, right? I hope you got it. This is Ramesh Yadav, productivity expert. If you have any comments, just comment below. Anything else, any doubts or any concerns on what's your biggest takeaway, just comment below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching it on my YouTube, or if you're watching it on Facebook. Hit the like button and tag one person who needs to listen this. And I'm committed to serve the world and make the people more productive in the world. Thank you. Signing off, Ramesh Yadav.